Okay, so it's been a while. I've been working on my Honda VTR here. I'm waiting on carbs for that. So we're gonna finish up the modifications on my e-bike here, my lightning rods. So we're going from a 219 to a 428. Now, what I had on there was an 8-to-1 gear ratio. Now it's going to be a 4-to-1. Top speed was 75. It's going to be increased. However, the torque's going to be decreased. So I'm hoping to hit like roughly around like 110, 120 mile an hour. Obviously going to have to do a different front tire for that speed. But I got the rear tire for it already. So we're good on that. And now we're just going to we got to trim this down a little bit so it can fit, because the 219 it was thinner and the 428 is a lot thicker, so I got to move the sprocket away from the motor just a tiny little bit. Not sure if we're going to run the rear brake, because I do have throttle operated regen. We'll see. It all depends if I have the space with the chain and the gear and everything. But been working on that while I'm waiting on the carbs. We're gonna go back to my electric bike here for a minute and see how this goes. I'll do a little video once it's all together.